Hi guys, today we will see the optimal binary search tree algorithm. So in the last session already we have seen how to construct the different binary trees and which one is optimal by just for 3 nodes we have seen. Now let us come with the algorithm. So OBST is nothing but optimal binary search tree algorithm. For this algorithm you are passing the 3 parameters here, P, Q and N. So P is nothing but the probabilities, successful probabilities, and Q is nothing but unsuccessful probabilities, and N is nothing but the number of keys, how many you are passing. By based on that the binary search tree will be constructed. Now what is meant by optimal? Optimal is nothing but either it is a minimum or maximum, but here we are considering is a minimum binary search tree here. So these are the 3 parameters you are passing. So what does actually this algorithm will calculate? So this function will be calculating cost, Cij, it will be calculating Rij, it will be calculating Wij. These are the 3 things the algorithm will be calculating. As already I said, you will be passing P, set of successful probabilities, Q, successful like unsuccessful probabilities, like the failure cases. Failure cases I have shown you by using the external node Q, and number of keys. So these are the 3 things you are passing, and these are the 3 things you will be calculating. So if you see the algorithm here, this part of the algorithm is for initialization. This is for the 0 node and this is for 1 tree node here. So you are initializing first Wii equal to Qi and Rii Cii equal to 0. This is for the 0 node. I'll just show you with an example how this actually happening. And this is for 1 node. 1 node, this is the initialization you are doing, and Wnn equal to Qn and R of n and C of nn equal to 0. All this is the initialization part you are doing for, that is 0 to n. That means if you take n equal to 4, that means 0 to 4. 0 to 3 you are doing all this initialization, and for n equal to 4 this is the initialization what you are doing here. So I'll just show you the step by step exactly how this will be working. And if it is, this is 0, this is initialization. If it is 1, this is the initialization 1 node. But if you have more than 1 node, then this is the thing what you will be doing, m greater than 1. This is the steps you will be calculating here. So we will be seeing the step by step now. So let us take an example. Let n equal to 4 and a1, a2, a3, a4. We have 4 keys here. 10, 15, 20, 25 are the 4 keys we have. P1, P2, P3, P4 are the 4 probabilities, successful probabilities you have, and 5 unsuccessful probabilities you have. And I is ranging from 0 to 4. This is a problem given to us. Now for this 4 nodes, what are the 4 nodes you have? 10, 15, 20, 25. For these 4 nodes, what we have to do is we have to construct the binary search tree which is optimal. Optimal is nothing but which gives the minimum cost here. So now let us see the tracing part here. Okay, now I'm taking this part here. So this part I'm writing it again. This part, what I said, this part is for 0 initialization, that is for the 0 node and for the node 1. So I'm just showing you step by step. So what you have here for I equal to 0, I less than n. N is nothing but 4 here. So 0 to 3. This particular iterations will be done now. So first let us take I equal to 0. So, and before that you have to construct the table. So this is the table you will be constructing. So it is a 4 by 4 matrix actually. So since we have n equal to 4, and we have to start from 0 also, because we have unsuccessful probabilities starting from Q0 to Q4 you have. So this is a 4 by 4 matrix. So the first will be W00, C00, R00. In this way you have to create the table. All these values you have to fill it now. So here in each cell you will be having 3 things. One is the weight, another one is cost, and another one is the R here. R is nothing but the root node. So these are the values what you will be filling. Based on this table, you will be constructing the optimal binary search tree. Now let us start filling the table now. So this is our algorithm. This is the initialization for the 0 node and the node 1. Now here, first I am taking for I equal to 0. Now if you substitute I equal to 0, what you will get? W00 equal to Q naught. So check the Q naught value. The Q naught value is 2. Just check in the question. It is 2. So W00 is 2. And another next what you have, R00, C00 equal to 0. So now you fill in the place of W00, you will be filling 2 and C000 and R000. So this is the first cell value. And next what you have, Wi of I plus 1. So I plus 1 okay. So W01 equal to Q naught plus Q1 plus P1. So Q0 value, what is our Q0 value? These are our values, right? So Q0 value is 2 and it is 3 and 3. So these are the values you are substituting. So you are getting W01 value as 8. Now next what you have, R0, I equal to 0, right? So R01 equal to I plus 1. I is 0. So I plus 1 will become 2 now. So I plus 1 will become 1. So R01 is 1. Now next C01. C01 is W01. What is W01? We got 8. Now let us fill these three values in our table. So W01. So where do we have W01? Here you have W01. What is our W01? 8. C01, how much you have? 8. C01, 8. And R01 is 1. So we got this particular cell also. So now let us again continue. So next I equal to 1. So first iteration we have completed. So this should be done from I equal to 0 to 3 because less than n we are taking. So now I equal to 1. So again substitute I equal to 1, W11 equal to Q1. So Q1 value is 3. Now R11, C11, 0. So 0. Now let us fill in the 1 cell. 1 cell. What do you have? 300. So W1 is 3, C11 is 0, R11 is 0. So this cell also we got it. So now let us again continue. So this one you have to calculate. W12 equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus P2. So if you substitute, you are getting 7. Now next R12. R12 is I plus 1. What is our I? 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So R12 is 2 and C12. And what is C12? That is W12. So W12 we have calculated, you are getting. So now let us substitute these values now. So W12 is 7. Where is W12? This is W12 is 7. C12 7. And R12 is 2. So these values we have filled. So now we completed for I equal to 1. Now let us start with I equal to 2 now. So for I equal to 2, again W22 will become Q2. Now Q2 value is 1. Now next R22, C22 values will be 0. So now let us fill it now in the second cell, W22. What is W22? It is 1. C22 0, R22 0. These values we got. Now let us continue. What is our I? 2. So W23 equal to Q2 plus Q3 plus P3. Now if you substitute, you are getting 3. Now what is the next? R23 is nothing but I plus 1. What is our I? 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now next C23. is W23. How much we are getting? 3. Now you substitute in W23 cell. So W23 is how much? 333. So it is 3, 3, 3. This we got it. Now next iteration, I equal to 3. Substitute again, W33 equal to Q3. What is Q3 value? 1. Next, R33, C33, 0. Now let us fill it now in W33. So it is 1, C3 0, R3 0. So we got W33. Now next, W34 equal to Q3 plus Q4 plus P4. So how much you are getting? 3. Now next, R3, R4 equal to I plus 1. What is our I? 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. So R34 is 4. Now C34 is W34. What is our W34 value? 3. Now let us fill in W34 cell. So what you are getting? W34. Where we have W34? Here we have. So W34 is 3. C34 is 3 and R34 is 4. So these are the values we are getting. Now, so with this we have completed this loop for 0 to 3. 0 to 3 we have completed. Now next step was the next algorithm we have. So after this, now what are the next steps you have? After this condition is becoming false, now you have to initialize Wnn equal to Qn, Rnn equal to C of nn equal to 0. What is our n value? 4. That means W44 equal to Q4 and R44, C44 value will be 0. So now what is our W44? I said, so I equal to 4, the for loop is becoming false. So W44 equal to Q4, that equal to 1, and R44, C44 value is 0. So now let us fill it now. W44 is 1 and C44 equal to 0 and R44 equal to 0. So with this we have completed the for loop. Now we are coming to this particular part now. So for m greater than 1 node, so this loop we are starting. So I am writing this part again. So this is our, this particular part should be executed. That means the remaining cells, whatever empty we have, now these remaining cells you will be filling now. So still which are empty, these cells we have empty still. So now let us start the tracing now. So first what you have, m equal to 2, 2 to 4. 2 to 4, and what is our I value? I value for first for m equal to 2 we are starting. For first for m equal to 2. Now what is our I for m equal to 2? 0, 2. N is 4, 4 minus 2. It is 0 to 2. So for m equal to 2 to 4 and I equal to 0 to 2. So now let us start first for I equal to 0. Now first phi equal to 0. What is our j value now? I plus m. What is our I? I is 0. So 0 plus, what is m? 2. So 0 plus 2, 2. Now our j value is 2. Now come to this part, Wij, nothing but W0j equal to W01. J is 2, right? So 2 minus 1, 1 plus P of j plus Q of j. What is our j? 2. So P of j plus Q of j. So P of 2. So you are getting W02 value as 12. Now the next thing is we have to find out K minimum of Ij. So if you find out this K we can substitute here. We will be getting C and R here. So how to find out this K? How to find out this K is, it will be the ranging from R of Ij minus 1 to R of I plus 1j. So this is the way how you have to find out the K value. So how to find this K value is, so what is our I? I value is 0. What is our j? 2. 2 minus 1. So R0, 1, 2, I plus 1. So R1 to R2. So this is our range. Now let us see what is our R01. Already we have calculated R01. R01 is 1. So 1 and R12. What is our R12? R12 also we have calculated, it is 2. So K is ranging from 1 to 2. K is ranging from 1 to 2. Now we got the K value. Now let us substitute in the C now. So what is our C formula? C of ij equal to this one. So what is our I? I is 0, and what is our j? 2. That means C of 0, 2 equal to W of 0, 2 plus, and here this should be thing we have to calculate for minimum. So minimum of, what is our K value? The K value is ranging from 1 to 2 to C of I K minus 1. What is our I? 0. What is our K first? K 1. First time I should substitute first for K equal to 1. Another time I should substitute for K equal to 2. So C of 0. What is our K? I said 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So C 0, 0 plus C Kj. What is our K? 1. So C 1. What is our J? J is 2. So C 1, 2, comma. Why? Because we have to calculate for 2 values of K here. So next K equal to 2. Now again you substitute C 0, K equal to 2 now. So 2 minus 1, 1. C 0, 1 plus C K equal to 2. So C 2, 2. So already these values we have. Check the table. So if you check C 0, 0, this is W02 is already we calculated. We got 12 plus minimum of C00 is 0 plus C12. Check the table, it is 7. So in these two we have to find out which is minimum now. 7 and 8, which is minimum? This is 7. So 12 plus 7, 19. So for which one you are getting minimum? For 7 you are getting. So 7 is nothing but for K equal to 1. So from this we are getting K equal to 1. So since you are getting K equal to 1, you will get the value of R also. So R0, 2 equal to 1. So now you let us substitute all these values in the table now. So R W02 is 12, and what is C02 you are getting? 19, and R02 we are getting 1. So these are the values we got. This is for m equal to 2 and I equal to 0. Now we have to go with the next step, m equal to 2 and I equal to 1. So m equal to 2 and I equal to 1. Now what is j? J equal to I plus m. I is what? 1. 1 plus m, that is 1 plus 2, 3. Now j value is 3. Now let us again do the same process. Now let us substitute the form values in the W. So what you are getting? W13, it is 9. Now again we have to find out the range now. K range, what I said we have to do for Rij minus 1 to Ri plus 1 to j. This is the range now. So what is I? 1. What is j? 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. So R1, 2, 2. What is I? 1. So R of 2, 3. So already we have calculated R12 and R23 value. R12 value, where is 1 to 2? And R23 is 3. So it is K is ranging from 2 to 3. K is ranging from 2 to 3. Now let us substitute now. C of 13 is W of 13 plus minimum of. Now we got the K2 values now. One is 2 and another one is 3. Substitute in the formula. First for K equal to 2 and another for K equal to 3. Now you see which is minimum in these two. 3 is minimum. So 9 plus 3, 12. So for which K value you are getting? We are getting the minimum K value for K equal to 2. Therefore K equal to 2 and R13 equal to 2. Now let us substitute now. W139. Yeah, here W139. What is C13 you are getting? 12, and R13 we are getting 2. Okay, now the next again m equal to 2 and next step is I equal to 2. So if you substitute, we will get the J formula. So J equal to, what is our J? I plus m. So 2 plus 2, 4. Now J equal to 4. Same way you calculate W. Now K is ranging here. Just substitute in this formula. Now we are getting the K range from 3 to 4. Again same process will be repeated and you are getting the minimum. Both are same here. 3 3, anything you can consider. So I will be considering just k equal to 3, and that means R24 3. Now let us substitute. We got our W24 value now. So W24, how much we are getting? W24 is 5, and C24 we are getting 8, and R24 we are getting 3. So that is next, m equal to 2 and I equal to 3. M equal to I equal up to 0 to 2. So this iteration we have completed. Now the m value will be incremented. M value will be incremented. Now m equal to 3. So m equal to 3. Now what will be the range? M equal to 3, and I will be from the range 0 to n minus m. What is n? N is 4. Now what is m now? 3. That means 0 to 1. I is from 0 to 1. So first we are starting with I equal to 0. Again the same process, we are getting W03 value 14, and similarly find out the k range. Now let us substitute these values now. For which one? W03. W03 here. What is W03 value? We got 14. 14. And what is C03 value you are getting? 25. And what is our R value you are getting? That is 2. So now again m equal to 3. Now I equal to 1 and j equal to 4. So again we will repeat the process. Let us again substitute now. W14 is 11. C14, how much you are getting? C14 is 19, and R14 you are getting 2. So now that is for m equal to 3. Now next, so 0 to 1 we have completed. Now m value will be incremented. So m equal to 4. Now I will be from 0 to 0, only one iteration. Now j equal to 4. Again the same process is repeated. Now you are getting W04 value as 16, C04 value as 32, and R04 value as